Good morning, our dear parents and my lovely students. I am back with my another new class. So, are you missing your school days? Don't worry. I am here to take you back to your school days. And today I am going to teach you the sound words of A. So, let's start. A sounds like A. What is this? A. And it sounds like A. And what will be the sound words of A? See? A for apple. A for S. A for X. A for ant. A for arm. Let's repeat. A for apple. A for S. A for X. A for ant. A for arm. So, I request all parents kindly make your children learn the sound words of A. Stay safe. Thank you.